What's your name?
Hi, Murray. Arthur.
Arthur.
My name's Arthur.
Oh, okay. Well, there's something special about you, Arthur. I can tell. Where you from?
I live right here in the city with my mother. Everybody's so upset about these guys. If it was me dying on the sidewalk, he'd walk right over me. I pass you every day, you don't notice me. But these guys, because Thomas Wayne, when you cried about them on TV, you got a problem with Thomas Wayne. Yes, I do. Have you seen what it's like out there, Murray? Never actually leave the studio. Everybody just yells and screams at each other. Nobody's civil anymore. Nobody thinks what it's like to be the other guy.